Today, we're going to explore the top 5 best climbing harnesses for kids. Climbing is such a fun and adventurous activity, and it's important to make sure our little climbers are safe and comfortable while they reach new heights. So, whether your child is just starting or they're seasoned pros, we've got the perfect harness for them. Let's dive in. Number 5. Singing Rock Kids Sit Harness Performance. The Singing Rock Kids Sit Harness offers excellent performance for various climbing activities, including rock climbing, canyoneering, and rappelling. It provides a secure fit and is specifically designed to accommodate the unique needs of kids, ensuring safety during their adventures. Technology and features. Material made from durable nylon, ensuring longevity and resistance to wear and tear. Adjustability features adjustable leg loops and a waist belt, allowing for a customized fit as your child grows. Comfort. The harness includes padded leg loops and waist for enhanced comfort during extended use. Gear loops. Comes with gear loops for easy access to climbing gear. Design. The design is kid-friendly with vibrant colors and patterns that appeal to younger climbers. Lightweight yet robust, the harness is easy to put on and take off, making it perfect for kids eager to start climbing. Weight. Weighing only about 300 grams, 10.6 ounces, it's lightweight enough for kids to wear without discomfort. Price. The Singing Rock Kids Sit Harness is priced around $40 to $60, making it an affordable option for parents looking to invest in their child's climbing safety. Pros. Secure and safe. Offers excellent safety features. Comfortable fit. Padded design ensures comfort. Adjustability. Grows with your child. Affordable. Great value for quality. Cons. Limited color options. Fewer color choices may not appeal to all kids. Not for adults. Only suitable for children. Number 4. Petzl O Full Body Harness Performance. The Petzl O is designed for young climbers and users requiring a full body harness. It offers excellent support and comfort during climbing, rappelling, or rescue situations. Its construction allows for easy movement while providing safety and security. Technology and features. Material. Constructed from durable polyester and nylon, enhancing durability and wear resistance. Adjustability. Features 4 adjustment points for a secure fit as the user grows. Attachment points. Includes 2 lateral attachment points for positioning and a rear attachment point for a safety lanyard. Color-coded. Distinct color coding makes it easy to put on correctly, ensuring safety. Leg loops. Equipped with adjustable leg loops for comfort and a customized fit. Design. The harness has a sleek design tailored for children and small adults with padded sections for comfort. The bright colors and ergonomic design not only enhance visibility, but also make it visually appealing for younger climbers. Weight. Weighs approximately 420 grams, 0.93 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to transport. Price. The retail price ranges from $70 to $80, depending on the retailer and any ongoing promotions. Pros. Excellent comfort and support for young climbers. Easy to adjust and put on, promoting user independence. Durable materials ensure longevity. Lightweight design increases mobility. Cons. May be too specialized for adult users. Slightly higher price compared to basic harnesses. Limited use beyond climbing activities. Number 3. Mammut Ophir Kids Harness. The Mammut Ophir Kids Harness is designed for young climbers, offering excellent safety and comfort during climbing activities. Its adjustable leg loops and waist belt ensure a secure fit as your child grows, making it suitable for various climbing disciplines. Technology and features. Material. Made from durable nylon with reinforced stitching for enhanced strength. Adjustability. Features adjustable leg loops and a waist belt to accommodate growth and layering. Comfort. Padded design provides comfort during long climbs and is equipped with a breathable mesh lining. Safety features. Equipped with 2 gear loops and a haul loop for easy access to climbing gear. Design. The Ophir Kids Harness comes in vibrant colors and playful designs, appealing to children while providing a practical and functional layout. Weight. Lightweight construction at approximately 250 grams, 8.8 aughts, making it easy for kids to wear without feeling weighed down. Price. Typically priced around $70 to $80, offering great value for the safety and features provided. Pros. Comfortable and adjustable for growing kids. Lightweight and easy to wear. Strong and durable materials. Fun design that appeals to children. Cons. May not fit very small or large children well. Limited color options compared to adult models. Number 2. Edelrid Fin 3 Harness Performance. The Edelrid Fin 3 harness is specifically designed for young climbers, offering exceptional comfort and support during climbing sessions. Its adjustable design ensures a secure fit for growing kids, making it an ideal harness for beginners to intermediate climbers. Technology and features. 3D mesh padding for maximum comfort. Fully adjustable leg loops and waist belt to accommodate growth. Slide block buckles for easy adjustments. Abrasion-resistant gear loops for durability. Indicator wear safety marker for additional safety. Design. The Fin 3 features a sleek and ergonomic design tailored to young climbers, with a focus on comfort and safety. The harness offers a great range of motion without compromising security. Weight. Lightweight construction at around 350 grams, 12.3 aughts, ensuring mobility without unnecessary bulk. Price. Priced at approximately $60, offering an affordable yet high-quality option for youth harnesses. Pros: adjustable for growth, comfortable and lightweight, durable and abrasion-resistant, easy-to-adjust buckles, affordable price point. Cons: not suitable for advanced climbing, limited color options. Number 1. Petzl O Kids Harness. Performance. The Petzl O Kids Harness offers excellent safety and comfort for young climbers. It ensures a secure fit with adjustable leg loops and waist belt, designed to grow with the child. Its high durability allows kids to enjoy climbing adventures both indoors and outdoors. Technology and features. Double back buckles for easy and safe adjustments. Endoframe technology provides even weight distribution for enhanced comfort. 2 gear loops allow kids to practice carrying their gear like pros. Detachable leg loops for quick, easy adjustments. Design. Ergonomically designed for kids, it includes a comfortable padded waist belt and leg loops. Its bright colors make it visually appealing for children, while the tie-in points are reinforced for durability and safety. Weight. Weighs only 325 grams, making it lightweight and easy to wear for kids. Price. Priced around $50 to $60, it's an affordable and durable option for young climbers. Pros: adjustable and adaptable for growing kids. Lightweight and comfortable. High-quality safety features. Cons: limited gear loops compared to adult harnesses. May not fit older or larger kids comfortably.